Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to save new Telegram files in Dropbox. So here I've created a group on my Telegram, and in this case I want whenever a new file is received on that group, automatically that file detail should be extracted, and after extracting the file details, that file should be uploaded in my Dropbox account. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Telegram and our action applications will be Telegram and Dropbox. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to save your Telegram files to Dropbox. So in this case, I want whenever a new file is received on my Telegram group, automatically that file should be saved in my Dropbox under a specific folder named as Telegram files. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as save new Telegram files in Dropbox. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Save New Telegram Files in Dropbox. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Telegram bot, and my trigger event as set webhook or watch updates. And now to connect my Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Telegram bot account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for token. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Telegram account. And here in my Telegram account, I'm going to create a new bot by searching for the bot father. So here I'm going to select this bot father, and here I'm going to build a new bot by simply entering a command, that is /new bot. And here you can see it says, alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So here I'm going to give the name as new file upload. And here you can see it says good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot, like this, for example, Tetris bot. So here I'm going to enter a username for my bot, that is file upload bot. So it says this username is already taken. So let's try another username. So now I'm going to try for Dropbox file bot. Again it's taken. So now let's try another username. Now I'm going to give the name as Pabbly Integrations 456. So here I have not entered the bot at end. So here I'm going to write this name again. And here you can see we have successfully created a new bot. So here you can see we have received a token with this message. So here I'm going to copy this token. Moving back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to enter the token. So now after entering the token, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here, after building a successful connection, let's move back to our Telegram account. So now here, after creating the bot, I'm going to activate my bot by simply clicking on this link. Here I'm going to click on this start. And here you can see we have successfully activated our bot. So now after activating our bot, we are going to create a new group by simply clicking on this new group button. So here I'm going to add some members. So here I'm going to select my colleague. And then I'm going to select my bot, which is named as new file upload. Here I'm going to select my bot. Here I'm going to give a name to my group, that is new files. And here I'm going to create a group. So here you can see we have successfully created a group. So now after creating a group, I'm going to make my bot as an admin of this group so that it could capture a response. So for that, I'm going to use my phone and make my bot as an admin. So here I've added my bot as an admin. So to show you that, let me click on this profile icon. And here you can see my bot is an admin. So moving back. And now after creating this group successfully, let's go back to our Pabbly window. And here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for response, that means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to receive a file on our group. So for that, let me take you back to my Telegram group. And here in my group, my colleague is going to upload a file. So here you can see my colleague has sent a file on this group with the name sunset image. So now let's go back to our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the update ID, message photo width, height, file size, file ID, message from last name, first name, date, and the message caption. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger. Now let's move to action step. And now here in this action step, we are going to select our action application as Telegram bot again. And after selecting the application, here I'm going to select my action event as get file. So here I'm going to use this action event so that the details of the files which we have received in our trigger should be extracted with all the details fully. So now to connect my Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here as I have already built a connection between my Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to click on the select existing connection and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking for file ID. So here instead of entering the file ID manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Telegram bot. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new response is captured in our Telegram bot, automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the file ID. So here I've mapped the file ID and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the file ID, file unique ID, file size and the file path. So here you can see in the instruction it says the file can then be downloaded via the link. So in the next step we are going to use this link to download the file. So now after getting the file details, let's move to another action step. So here I'm going to add another action step by clicking on this add button. And here I'm going to select my action application as Dropbox. And here I'm going to select my action event as upload a file. And now to connect my Dropbox with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Dropbox account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Dropbox. And here you can see authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Dropbox account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your Dropbox account. So moving back to Pabbly window. And here after building a successful connection, moving forward. And now here it is asking for file URL. So as I told you earlier that we are going to use this file URL which we have received in our instructions. So here I'm going to click on this action step. And here I'm going to copy this link till the bot, back to action step. Here I'm going to paste this part, and after this bot keyword, we need to enter the bot token. So for that, let me take you back to our Telegram account. So here I'm going to copy this token again, moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the token. So now after entering the token, let me take you back to this URL. And here you can see in the end, the file which we have received is entered. So now moving back to the URL. Here I'm going to enter the slash and then I'm going to map the file. So this is the file path. So here I'm going to map it. Moving forward. And now here it is asking for file name. So here in instruction it says name of the file with proper file extension, that is example pabbly.png. So here in the file name you can see we have received the file name as sunset image. So here to add the extension we are going to add another step where we are going to extract the extension from the file path. So for that, you have to click on this plus button between this Telegram bot and Dropbox. So here I'm going to add another action step and here I'm going to use my action application as text formatter by Pabbly. And here in text formatter by Pabbly, I'm going to use my action event as split text. You can use Text Formatter by Pabbly for different functions such as basic formatting, extract pattern, find in text, replace text, split text, text parser, truncate, URL encode, decode, and etc. So now after selecting my action event, I'm going to click on this connect. And then here it is asking me to enter the text to split. So here I'm going to enter the text, that is result file path. So from this text, I'm going to split the extension. So for that, I'm going to add the separator as 0. So that in the response, I can receive .jpg. So here for the segment index, I'm going to select second. Moving forward, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the result as .jpg. So now moving to our Dropbox action step. Here I'm going to map the file name. So for this, I'm going to select the message caption. And then I'm going to map the extension that I have received in my text formatter. So here we have successfully mapped the file name. Moving forward, and now here it is asking for folder path. So for the folder, let me take you back to my Dropbox account. And here you can see I need all the files should be uploaded under my folder named as Telegram files. So moving back to Pabbly window. And here before entering the folder path in the instruction it says while uploading a file in folder name simple folder, the folder path will be /simple folder. So here we are going to enter our folder path, that is /telegram files. So here I've entered all the details and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Dropbox account. And here you can see we have successfully received a file with the name sunsetimage.jpg. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. So now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Telegram bot and our action as Telegram bot text formatter by Pabbly and Dropbox. So that whenever a new file is received in our Telegram group, automatically that file details will get extracted. And after that, using the text formatter by Pabbly, the extension of that file should be splitted. And after that, that file should be uploaded in my Dropbox under a specific folder. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.